रिअल इस्टेट एजंट ॲक्टर गौरव बक्षीक मंत्री निळखंठा कडेन दादागिरी केली, गैर वागलो म्हूण कोलवाळे पुलिशेन अटक केल्या. मंत्र्याच्या वावुरप्यांनी बक्षीक अटक करिना जाल्यार रस्त्यार देवपाची शिटकावणी दिल्ली. अटकेक 48 वरांची मुजत दिल्ली. बक्षी म्हणटा वादची वार्ता करून बेटोच इशू केला. आरोपांत कांयच तथ्य ना.
Hi, hello to everyone out there. I think it was time for me to give a response to the happenings that have been taking place since last night and today morning. I've had a lot of media trying to reach me and requesting a bite. So first I'd like to say that everything that the Minister Harankar has been stating in media is entirely false, mischievous and factually incorrect. We can actually compare his current statements today morning in comparison to his statements from last night, as well as the statements made by the complainant, Rohan Parab, in the complaint submitted last night. There's differences in all of them. There's clearly some vindictiveness going on here. There's no question about that. What they've stated is not at all what happened. It was a very small incident that deliberately is being blown out of proportion for reasons best known to our politicians of Goa. They are now talking about a car parking issue. One car for 20 seconds, and that's being blown out where the entire government of Goa, the police systems, the ministers are spending hours and days discussing one topic for one very simple citizen. I wonder why. What is it that I've done that brings so much attention? I'll bow down to your time and effort. Thank you so much. But all is well, guys. I wish you all the best. And again, it's meant a lot that thousands of you have reached out to me. Politicians across parties, citizens on the ground, activists. Thank you so much. Your support means a lot to me. I'm well. Thank you.